Hi! When presenting a CMA to your customers, you want to make sure that you are leaving a lasting impression. This means customization. You want a CMA that you are able to customize. Simply use Cloud CMA. Cloud CMA is available to Miami Platinum Plus users. Simply create your comps and then go to customization. Once you're in customization, you'll be able to customize things like which template you like to use, what color, what theme, and even what font style and what font colors, and even switch it from English to Spanish. You can add all the pages that you desire to use in your CMA, and after you're finished, you want to select Publish Report. Once selecting Publish Report, you're left with the most beautiful CMA available to Miami members. We hope this helps creating a lasting impression with your CMAs and your customers and your business. We want to thank you for watching and thank you for being a Miami member.